I'm Julie Herman of Jaybird Quilts and Lazy Girl Designs, and today I am excited to show you my Cuppa Tea Sampler Quilt. It is made with the Jumbo Lazy Angle ruler. This quilt is featured on the cover of the book, and it's made with Stonehenge gradations by Northcott Fabrics. 2024 is the 25th anniversary of the original Lazy Angle ruler by Lazy Girl Designs. I designed the Cuppa Tea Sampler Quilt to make this a very special 25th anniversary. The magic in Cuppa Tea is all the ways that you'll use the Jumbo Lazy Angle ruler to make each block. There's 12 sampler blocks that frame the center medallion. The pattern book includes full color diagrams and instructions to make each block and the center medallion, as well as mitered borders to finish the quilt, and a bonus pillow. You'll also find coloring pages to help you plan your Cuppa Tea quilt, and videos will be on my YouTube channel to help guide you through every step of the process. If you have one of the previous versions of the Lazy Angle ruler, great news! You'll be able to use it to make the Cuppa Tea Sampler Quilt. You can request the Cuppa Tea Sampler book now from your favorite local quilt shop. Let them know that Julie sent you and that you want the Cuppa Tea book by Jaybird Quilts. Some shops are offering Cuppa Tea quilt kits. Ask your shop about what they might have available to make your Cuppa Tea quilt. Our Cuppa Tea Sew Along will kick off later this year. You can sign up for it now at lazyangle.com. We're looking forward to sewing with you. I'll put the link in the description below, and I hope to see you here soon.